Well, welcome to this 2 Minutes to Excel tutorial presented by Stratfield Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unhide all of the formulas in Excel in one step. You're just going to click on your keyboard and you're going to be able to see all of the formulas and all of the hard-coded numbers that exist behind your worksheet. The real value about this is if you're editing a worksheet or you're trying to see which cells have formulas, you don't have to click in each one independently. So let's jump into Excel and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so here we are in a basic worksheet. You'll notice in yellow, this is the keyboard shortcut that allows you to see all of the formulas that are behind your worksheet. So I'm going to be using this, but let's say you didn't know about this and you wanted to see, okay, input 1, I come up to the ribbon and I see 1 is in the formula bar, input 2 says 1 is in the formula bar, and here the formula. Okay, I click in and I can see that this has a formula. I click down here, this has a formula, but I can't see all of them at the same time. Well, if you hit Control and the tilde key, which is usually next to the 1 key on your keyboard, it automatically asks for me to, it automatically reveals all of the existing formulas behind. And you'll notice here, yes, 3 times 3 happens to be equal to 9, but if I had changed any of these inputs, I wouldn't have actually come out with the right answer. So this is an incredibly useful application to be able to edit and audit your formulas and be able to see them all at the same time. The other thing I really like about this is, okay, I'm done editing my formulas. I want to go back to the normal view. Hit Control tilde again. It brings you right back there. You haven't touched any data. You haven't modified any data. If you like this tip, please subscribe to us here at Stratfield Solutions, and we look forward to seeing you in another 2-minute tutorial soon. Thanks.